Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce 14A Mirrimin Street, Bonville. Only 3 years old, this Brian Hopwood-built home provides you and your loved ones with privacy and security. Experience the large open-plan living space that is complemented by a modern light-filled kitchen. All bedrooms have built-in robes, and the fresh bathroom is both functional and pleasing to the eye. Enjoy the covered patio as your relaxation zone. Still under builder's warranty, this home also offers a single garage with internal access and room to store a van or boat. Walk to the Bonville National Park or drive down to the picturesque Sawtell Village for a premium coastal lifestyle. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour